Your feet will stop tingling, your joints will move smoothly, and your nerves will feel stronger. This becomes possible by eating 5 collagen-boosting vegetables daily. These vegetables are packed with nutrients that stimulate your body's natural collagen production, repair nerve cells, and strengthen bones and joints. But, here's the shocking truth. Most people ignore these foods and spend money on costly supplements or painkillers, forgetting that true healing begins with natural food. Do your feet feel like pins and needles at night? Do you wake up with stiffness in your knees or burning pain in your toes? That is your body sending a warning. Tingling feet and weak joints are not random discomforts. They are early signs of nerve damage, arthritis, or even diabetes-related neuropathy. Collagen is the missing link. It's the protein that holds your body together, cushions your joints, and protects your nerves. After age 40, collagen levels drop by almost 1% every year, and, research published in the Journal of Orthopedic Research shows this decline is directly linked to joint stiffness, weak cartilage, and nerve damage. But here's the good news. Certain vegetables can naturally turn this around because they contain the exact amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that stimulate collagen synthesis. Today, you will discover 5 powerful vegetables that can rebuild your collagen, reduce tingling, and strengthen your body from the inside. Let's start with spinach. Spinach looks simple, but it is a powerhouse for collagen production because it is loaded with vitamin C, magnesium, and plant-based amino acids. Vitamin C is essential because your body cannot make collagen without it. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirm that vitamin C directly triggers the enzymes that stitch collagen fibers together. Without enough vitamin C, collagen breaks down faster and your joints and nerves weaken. Magnesium in spinach relaxes muscles, supports nerve function, and reduces cramps. Research in Nutrients Journal shows that magnesium deficiency is strongly linked to neuropathy and tingling feet. When you eat spinach daily, your body receives the raw material to rebuild damaged collagen and repair nerves, which means less burning, less tingling, and stronger cartilage in your knees and ankles. Next is kale, the queen of greens. Kale is packed with sulforaphane and vitamin K, 2 critical nutrients for nerve and joint health. Sulforaphane is a natural antioxidant that fights free radical damage. A study in the Journal of Neuroscience revealed that sulforaphane protects nerve cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of neuropathy. Vitamin K works with collagen to keep your bones and joints strong. The Journal of Bone and Mineral Research published findings showing that low vitamin K levels are linked to brittle bones and faster cartilage loss. By eating kale, you protect your joints from inflammation, reduce stiffness, and shield your nerve endings from degeneration. Now let's talk about sweet potatoes, one of the most overlooked collagen activators. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene and copper, 2 nutrients that activate collagen production. Beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, stimulates fibroblasts, the cells that build collagen. Research from the Journal of Nutrition confirms that vitamin A deficiency slows collagen synthesis dramatically. Copper is equally important. It acts as a cofactor in the enzyme lysyl oxidase, which cross-links collagen and elastin fibers. Without copper, collagen remains weak and fragile. Eating sweet potatoes gives your body the tools to make collagen fibers strong, elastic, and long-lasting. This means your skin, joints, and nerves remain protected as you age. Fourth on the list is the humble tomato. Tomatoes may look ordinary, but they are one of the richest sources of lycopene, a carotenoid that shields collagen from breakdown. Studies in the British Journal of Dermatology confirm that lycopene protects collagen fibers from UV damage, oxidative stress, and inflammation. But here's what most people don't realize. Lycopene also improves blood flow, which means nerves in your feet and legs receive more oxygen and nutrients. When circulation improves, tingling reduces, nerves repair faster, and joints get the nourishment they need to rebuild cartilage. Cooking tomatoes makes lycopene more bioavailable, so tomato soups, sauces, and roasted tomatoes work even better for collagen protection. Finally, we have bell peppers, nature's collagen accelerator. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, quercetin, and capsaicin. Vitamin C is the cornerstone of collagen synthesis, but quercetin and capsaicin take it further. Quercetin is a flavonoid that reduces inflammation in nerves and joints. A study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity showed that quercetin helps reduce nerve pain and oxidative damage in diabetic patients. Capsaicin, the compound that gives peppers their mild heat, improves blood circulation. Research in Pain Research and Management Journal revealed that capsaicin reduces neuropathic pain by desensitizing overactive nerve receptors. Together, these compounds speed up collagen building, reduce nerve pain, and protect your mobility. Now you may be wondering, why eat these vegetables when collagen supplements are so popular? Here's the truth. Collagen supplements provide peptides, but your body still needs vitamin C, copper, and antioxidants to convert them into functional collagen. Without these cofactors, supplements are incomplete. Vegetables, on the other hand, provide the full package: amino acids, enzymes, antioxidants, and minerals, all working together to build and protect collagen naturally. That is why food always comes first. So how much should you eat? For results, consistency is key. Aim to include 1 cup of spinach or kale daily, 1 medium sweet potato 3 to 4 times a week, 1 or 2 tomatoes or half a cup of tomato-based dishes daily, and half a cup of bell peppers in salads or cooked meals. Within weeks, you'll notice less tingling in your feet, reduced joint stiffness, and more energy. Remember, collagen repair is slow but steady. Each day, you feed your body these vegetables. You are rebuilding the very foundation of your joints, nerves, and connective tissues. Your nerves regain their protective myelin coating, your joints regain cushioning cartilage, and your blood vessels regain elasticity. Together, this means freedom from burning feet, relief from stiff knees, and better balance and mobility. Studies back this up. In 2020, Nutrients Journal published research confirming that combining plant-based antioxidants with vitamin C increased collagen synthesis significantly compared to collagen supplements alone. Another study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that collagen support through diet reduced nerve degeneration in diabetic patients, showing how powerful natural food can be. These results show us that healing doesn't need to come from expensive pills. It can come straight from your plate. So now, you know the 5 vegetables that fight tingling feet, protect nerves, and strengthen joints. They are not exotic or expensive. They are simple, everyday vegetables that, when eaten consistently, can rebuild your collagen and give you a pain-free, mobile, and stronger life. Collagen loss is silent but dangerous, and most people only notice when pain or tingling begins, yet the truth is that this process starts years earlier, slowly weakening the body from the inside. By the time you are 40, your collagen production has already dropped by nearly 25%, and by the time you are 60, your body may be making less than half of what it once did, which is why seniors feel stiffness in their joints, weakness in their legs, and tingling or burning in their feet. Collagen is not just a beauty protein for the skin. It forms the cushion in your joints, the sheath that protects your nerves, and the framework of your blood vessels. When collagen breaks down, cartilage thins out, nerves misfire, blood flow slows, and what begins as mild discomfort can quickly grow into chronic pain, loss of balance, and even serious nerve damage. But the vegetables we discussed, spinach, kale, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and bell peppers, can slow down and even reverse this process because each one provides the exact nutrients the body needs to restore collagen. Spinach and kale deliver vitamin C and magnesium, which stimulate the enzymes that knit collagen fibers together and support nerve repair. Sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene and copper, which activate fibroblasts to build strong collagen networks. Tomatoes protect existing collagen with lycopene and improve blood flow, which helps nerves recover faster. Bell peppers bring in quercetin and capsaicin, which accelerate healing and reduce pain signals. This combination works in 3 major ways. First, it rebuilds collagen inside joints, reducing stiffness and friction. Second, it strengthens the protective covering of nerves, stopping the tingling and numbness that comes with neuropathy. Third, it improves circulation so that oxygen and nutrients reach the legs and feet more effectively. Research confirms this power. Nutrients Journal published findings in 2020 showing that antioxidants from plants, when combined with vitamin C, significantly increased collagen production compared to collagen supplements alone. And The Journal of Clinical Investigation found that strengthening collagen structures reduced nerve degeneration in people with diabetes. That means these foods are not just meals, they are medicine, natural, powerful, and without harmful side effects. By eating them regularly, you allow your body to heal itself from the inside, protect your joints, and calm your nerves in a way no synthetic pill can ever fully achieve. Now let's bring everything together, because the real transformation comes not just from knowing what to eat, but from making these foods part of your daily routine. Imagine waking up in the morning and stepping out of bed without that burning or tingling in your feet, walking without the stiffness in your knees, and bending without pain. That is the future you can create by consistently feeding your body collagen-boosting vegetables. The secret is not in taking them once in a while, but in making them a permanent part of your meals. Healing is not magic. It is the result of science plus time, and every bite of spinach, kale, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and bell peppers brings your body closer to stronger collagen and healthier nerves. The best way to do this is to keep it simple. Steam or saute spinach with garlic, add kale to smoothies or soups, roast sweet potatoes as a side dish, cook tomatoes into sauces or soups to release their lycopene, and slice bell peppers into salads or stir-fries for crunch and nutrition. These small changes can create big results. Within a few weeks of regular use, you may notice the tingling in your feet start to calm down, your legs feeling lighter, and your joints bending with less pain. Over the course of months, your collagen stores rebuild, your nerves regain their protective myelin, and your joints recover elasticity, giving you better balance, stronger steps, and more independence as you age. Always remember, your body listens to what you feed it. Supplements can play a role, but food is the foundation, and these 5 vegetables are your natural defense against aging, arthritis, and nerve damage. So say goodbye to tingling feet, goodbye to weak joints, and goodbye to fear of losing mobility. Say hello instead to strength, stability, and energy for life. And if this video has helped you understand how powerful collagen vegetables can be, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more science-based health solutions, and share it with friends and family who also need this knowledge. Together, we can spread healing through food and help more people live pain-free lives filled with movement, freedom, and vitality.